Hi guys, so today we are at Lake Nakuru National Park, which is one of the famous national parks for bird watching and especially flamingos and also some white rhinos. We hope we get to spot them. And we are here at the entrance, and while our guide is, like sorting out all the ticketing and entrance fee and all that.
So hoping to see, some good sightings, some really great photo opportunities. So we'll be heading in from Lanet Gate. So we are at near the KWS office. So pretty much we are okay to go now, and so there are like different ticket prices for foreigners and different ticket prices for residents. So it's around like for a foreigner, I think it's around
$60 per person for 24 hours.
Yeah, and then for a resident or a working resident, it's around $7 to $8.
Yeah,
I know there's a big difference. I mean, that's how
the perk you get when you work here and working residents here. So what our plan is, and after we get the tickets, we'll be straight away going to the lodge. So for these 2 days, we'll be staying at
Sarowa Lime Hill Lodge, which is situated inside the park, and which we could have direct access to Lake Nakuru and rest of the areas rather than staying outside. It's easier and it's less time consuming for traveling. So yeah, let's see how it goes.
Small ride.
Right.
Ready for the safari?
Yep.
Yeah, ready. Hi guys, so we came to the Sarowa Lions Hill Lodge and now heading to our room. It's a beautiful hotel, so I'll show you around. We rested a bit and now we are going to have lunch.
Yeah. This place is nice.
Really nice place, and this is inside the park, so you can see wildlife everywhere and all the gisels too, impalas, pumbas and all kind of animals you can see here. It's really beautiful place. Heading to Lake Nakuru National Park for evening game drive.
Lake Nakuru National Park is mostly known for birding because of the numerous birds that have made this park their home. However, we believe that Nakuru can offer more than birds, and you will see why. Our first sighting is a herd of water bugs. Why they are called water bugs is because of their heavy dependence on water as compared to other antelopes. They mostly live near water sources and they are not doing very well when it comes to dehydration. Next, we had the chance to spot a magnificent white rhino covered in mud. White rhinos love mud. They will roll around it, cover themselves with it, and cover their young with it. The wet mud cools them down and protects their skin from sun and insects. dark, and with so much hope for tomorrow, we called it a day. Seeing the flamingos in the morning is truly a stunning sight. These pink feathered birds are the most popular attraction in Lake Nakuru National Park. Most people travel to this national park yearly just to experience the pink creatures that have almost turned the Lake Nakuru pink. Watching these birds feed, flying together, play in the water, and interact with other birds and the surroundings are some of the moments bird lovers look forward to when they visit here. Lake Nakuru National Park is one of the best places in Kenya to see rhinos in the wild. There are roughly 100 to 150 individuals in total, of which 80% are white rhinos and 20% are black. As we all know, the rhino population has plunged in the past decade due to poaching and habitat loss. But thanks to conservation efforts, the population is now rising. Nakuru was the first time I spotted a southern white rhino in my life. I think everyone should come to Africa at least once in their lifetime to witness its magical wildlife. The park also has a strong reputation for leopard sightings. Although these creatures are notoriously difficult to spot, we were really lucky to spot one in our morning safari.
Hi guys.
Hello.
So it's our second day at Lake Nakuru National Park, and we just finished our morning safari. And yeah, just like we expected, it's a very eventful day. We saw lions, rhinos, and all kind of antelopes, and the special sighting was a leopard. Not everyone, not like you can't see leopards every day in these national parks, and it's a very rare sighting. But we are lucky, so we're going to see a leopard today. Yeah. So guys, there's a small waterfall in Lake Nakuru National Park, and it's in the campsite. So we are going to see it. It's called Makhalia Falls Viewpoint. So let's go and see Makhalia Falls.
usual route to see the old entrance of Lake Nakuru National Park, which was currently consumed by the lake. On our way back, we managed to spot a young magnificent lion resting on a tree branch. This was one of the most beautiful sightings of the day. It was amazing to watch him. He was sleepy but alerted. The king of the jungle just few meters away.
Hi guys, it's the end of our second day at Lake Nakuru National Park, and it's a very eventful day today. We had super amazing sightings and I hope you enjoyed it already. So we are going to have a little rest and then get ready for dinner, because tomorrow morning also we are doing another game drive, so we're gonna get ready for that.
Our first sighting of today is a pride of lions. With the morning light in a lush green surrounding, is the perfect setting for photography and videography. The lion cubs are full of life. They play with their youngsters as it helps them to bond with each other. We couldn't have expected a better sighting on the last day at Nakuru National Park. Amazing pride, playful cubs, and the motherhood of a lioness is unforgettable. Again, we got extremely lucky to spot another leopard before we head home. What a perfect day. Being able to capture these elusive predators through my lens is the most satisfying feeling in the world.
So guys, it's our last day at Sarovar Lions Lodge in Nakuru, and we just finished our morning game drive and now we'll be heading out. I hope you enjoyed this video and will come again with another travel tale. Thanks for watching.